Greetings, Agent Pink. We're pleased you've accepted this most dangerous of spy missions. You say you're not a spy. Perfect! That means no one will suspect you. This is a mission of vital importance. You don't want to let your country down, do you? Smashing news! Glad to have you aboard, Agent Pink. Now, several blocks away is this large building. Atop this building, in an office, is this large safe. Concealed within is a computer disk of the utmost importance. Your mission, retrieve this disk. Now then, Agent Pink, let's get you some proper spyware, shall we? Not bad, a little tight. Additionally, we have prepared several devices for you that will aid you in your mission. But you must not use the gadgets until you absolutely need them. A few more items of the utmost importance. This man will do anything to stop you. You must avoid him at all costs. Once you have retrieved the disc, deliver it to this woman, one of our most trusted agents. Good luck, Agent Pink, and be alert. Your enemy could be anywhere. Your opponent may use clever tricks to frighten you. Your equipment can assist you, such as the one in your front left pocket. That's a strange-looking bird. Remember your spy gear. There is a way out of any dead-end situation, Agent Pink. You'll need assistance reaching the top floor. Fortunately, not all your devices are as innocent as they appear.
Let's play together. I love you. I love you.
There's a tough one. Good show, Agent Pink. Once you have retrieved the disc, you won't have much time to meet your contact. That jacket hardly goes with those shoes, don't you think? Let's teach that villain once more what it means to be a spy. Greetings, Agent Pink. You brought the disc. Excellent work. Do you know how hard it is to find this song?
Welcome to the Super Mega Hyper Game Show. Who's gonna play our game today? You, that's you. That's right. Come on down. Yes, you. This is your lucky day. I said, this is your lucky day. Now come on down. Hey, thanks for popping by. But if you quit now to finish your tasty beverage, then who will win our grand prize? Well, Chuck, our winner today will receive a lifetime supply of Pickalicious Pickle Power Extreme, the delicious, nutritious power drink that will give you extreme vitality, powerful energy, and just a touch of nausea. Yes, Pickle Power with its multitude of uses will make your life a dream come true. Why not relax and enjoy a glass while Pickle Power Extreme handles all of your tough cleaning chores? Pickle Power Extreme. It's Pickalicious. Available at all reputable hardware stores. May cause warts, moles, balding, fleas, cooties, and should not be taken with food. Enjoy Pickle Power Extreme at your own risk. Chuck? I take it you're in. Good. Oh, I almost forgot. You'll be going up against, you know him, you mock him. It's El Destructo and his much brighter sidekick, El Destructo Jr. Let's play. Round one. Many great scholars have been puzzled by this famous conundrum. 1 + 1 = what? Take your time, contestants. This is a tricky question. El Destructo rings in first. What is your answer, El? Oh no, that is just so wrong. It's slime time! I love this game. Round 2, Sumo Madness! To advance to the next round, you must remove your opponent from that platform. After years of training, El Destructo's body has become a finely tuned machine. Just look at those hand moves. Designed to distract and confuse his opponent, he carefully moves in to deliver the final... Oh, wait! We've never seen this one before! That is quite a fall. Ouch, what an upset. Round 3, Pugil Stick Battle-Rama! Our contestant must stay on his tower to advance to the next round. El Destructo wastes no time. Look at that combat-tested precision. What technique, what style. Our contestant should be giving up right about now. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Round 4, Treadmill Mayhem! All you have to do is make it to the finish line on a tricycle to complete the task. Oh, and watch out for El Destructo and El Destructo Jr. There he goes! And there goes El Destructo. That easy chair's not gonna make his life any easier, and he better not start feeling too safe. El Destructo wants to tire this guy out, and he's not just clowning around, he's all moose to done him in. This is not the time to be too picky, folks! Someone please stop me! No, seriously, stop me! Well, well, our contestant sure made short work out of this obstacle course. But wait, El Destructo has one more trick up his sleeve. An elephant toss, or should I say an elephant drop. Ouch! Round 5. Congratulations! You're the first to ever make it this far. But are you ready for the final challenge? The Gauntlet! Yeah! Ready? Good. Go, go, go! Let's see how he fares against the colossal Robo-Basher! With El Destructo Jr. in the driver's seat, I wouldn't want to be in the challenger's shoes. For those with weak stomachs, now would be a good time to turn away. This is about to get ugly. It looks like it's all over for our courageous challenger. But wait! It's the old crayon dummy trick! Very clever. The challenger has made it this far on luck, but it will take more than luck for him to get past the pool of pain. It will take gumballs. Gumballs? Here's Junior! He's gonna wish that he stayed with those masticating crocs now that El Destructo has him in the crosshairs of his basketball cannon. Destructo is showing no mercy tonight. He's in the lane and driving for the basket. And here's Junior for the assist. That's it! I can't look! It's all over now for our challenger! All those dreams of Pickle-Aid now dashed in the arena of anguish. Oh, the humanity! What? Junior seems to have lost power to the suit. I thought I told him to plug that thing in last night. And what's this? Uh-oh, the target's been hit. No one has ever hit the target before. Well, you've won! I can't believe he won. That's not supposed to happen. We should get that fixed. Who would have thought someone would really win? No pickles were harmed during the making of this show.